Hello everyone, it's Ali here, and today we are going to be doing another video. I know that you know that I'm eating cereal for lunch. That's because I was craving some Cocoa Pebbles, and that's what I'm going to do. So, we're about to go to the park. And film a video there. I'm going to pause and finish chewing. So the whole rest of the video I'm not going to be chewing or doing anything disgusting. So, dig it. I'll see you guys when we get see you guys when we get to the park. Hello, we're back. We're back. I filmed the intro inside, but now we're outside. Now we're out here in this piece. There's some grass over there, and there's some trees, and then there's some hair in the face. So yeah, we're just walking in the grass currently, and then we're gonna take the nature trail, and then we'll be at the park. So I didn't include this in the intro, but we're going to be taking the nature trail. It takes a while, but we're gonna be okay. We're not gonna die. We're just but we're about to start the nature trail. Say hi to my mom.
Mine does rocks.
Say hi. Okay. That was a bug in my face.
Dom, you were supposed to say hi.
There was some people.
There's a little creek over there. Oh, that's where our creek comes out, guys.
There is a creek over there. There it is. There it is. Can you guys even see it? I'm not even showing you. There it is. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah.
Over there.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Why does it smell like trash?
I know. How does it? Okay, we're gonna cross the street. Cross the street.
This is where the creek poured in.
See. Sorry.
No. Okay, I'm back. Stupid video. Hit pause. I'm not gonna. I dropped my phone into mud. It was kind of gross. And I'm probably gonna put that part in here somewhere. But right now I'm just recording my legs because from up top it looks weird. There's a couple of grass patches and okay, so that was hilarious. Okay, so there is a little mini mud pile over there, and then there's a bug landed on me.
Really?
I didn't even know what it was though. I sounded like I don't even know, a dinosaur. Hi Dom, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
This is gonna be my greatest vlog because it's outside for once. Haven't filmed outside since I was still living in my old house. That was terrible. Okay, now we're gonna start filming my feet again. Okay, we're gonna film my feet again. What's a bug in my hair? There was a bug in my hair. Say hi to my mom again. And say hi to Mario.
We're going this way or up and around?
We're gonna go to the Daughters of American Revolution Monument and 1 Mile Nature Trail.
I'm gonna go the other way, so that way we come down that big hill. What do you think, Mom? That one like kind of goes gradually up, where that one goes kind of steep. So if we go the other way.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not taking the daughters of whatever, and
We're just going the other way.
we're
We're going the backwards way.
we're gonna come back around to the daughters of revolution. And it's the same trail either way. Here's me mom. It's a really nice place to hang out. Like a bug legit landed in my hair.
Oh.
Wow, that creek's really pretty. So pretty. Gonna zoom in. Ooh. There's a bunch of little rocks.
Are you okay? You sure?
There's a bunch of little rocks.
Little gravel.
Put it back. Do not do what I think you're about to do. Thank you. Throw it at each other.
We're gonna take a little bit.
I almost fell in that.
Okay, that's a hole. Watch out.
Almost died.
Then you're gonna just throw the rocks in the water.
Don't.
I want to skip rocks, but I can't.
Can't is for losers.
Oh no. That's not okay. The whole rest of the video is going to be filmed like this. Because the nature is amazing. And they were roommates. Okay, so I'm just going to be talking for a while. This trail of gravel.
Daughters of the National of the American Revolution Monument at 1 mile east. Come on, boys.
That's just a close up of the rocks. Oh, sorry, gravel. Gonna face toward my feet again, so it could be like one of those cliche vlogs where they like pointed down at their feet. And I actually did my toes for this video, so they look nice. And there's my mommy. And there's more nature, and then there's some people screaming for no apparent reason. Sounds like some mating calls. Yes, who's back?
It's a lot of work.
We're just gonna be staring at each other's feet. You guys have never seen my feet on the camera. Okay, there's some feet. Yeah. Hey, mommy. That's like the third time she was featured. Okay, I did my toes for this video so they would look nice in these sandals that I just bought from Walmart, non-spawn. Why would I be sponsored by Walmart? I don't know. But if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. I'm here. Oh, ooh. I'm just recording this for my dad because he's not on this trail with us, so he's gonna experience the action with us anyways. He might not be here, but he is in this video. He's watching this video, hopefully. Okay, we're watching these people. Dami, say hi again. Hello. Holla. Holla at your boy, Dami. See, look at this nature trail. It's so fun. Oh, God. My knuckle's in the way. Okay, here's my little bro again. And then there's some more gravel. And then there's the creek again. If you see that, it's just reflecting all the light and stuff. I have to pay attention to my surroundings. That's why I'm filming like this, because, bless you. That's not the reason. But I have to film like this so I could watch my surroundings and film a video at the same time. So hopefully this video is louder than my other videos, because my videos are loud. It's my little brother again. My little brother again. Look at his hand. It's so tiny.
No, it's not.
It's not tiny, I'm joking. So we're gonna hold his hand. I keep falling into holes.
My stick is?
Your stick. Your stick? Do you need a stick?
No, I don't need a stick anymore.
Anymore? Why did you need a stick before?
Yeah, I don't need it.
Well, that's a good answer because I want to do it. Best answer of 2018. I don't know why I did that. I don't know what that was about. Just making sure that there's nothing behind me except for my peeps. Oh, yes. Stop doing that, please. But whatever. Oh, my God. There's a dragonfly. Stop. It's just a
Are you
dragonfly.
afraid of
I know.
dragonflies?
No.
Drag-
They're cool, man.
Dragonflies are cool, though.
Dragonflies are awesome.
Especially those black dragonflies.
Dragonflies are cooler than butterflies.
No.
Yes, they're cooler than butterflies.
Sometimes.
They're not prettier than butterflies.
Prettier than butterflies.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes I agree with that. 'Cause remember that one we found the other day? It was like blue and shiny.
We have these black dragonflies before, right next to our house. Oh yeah, there's another one.
There was one like the other day, like floating around my tiger lilies. It literally was like metallic blue. It was so pretty. Like everything, its wings and everything.
Wow. I've never seen a dragonfly like
It was
that.
so pretty. We'll have to go look when we get home and see if we can find it.
If I were to have a giant version of a bug to ride on, it's a bad odor.
It smells like literal garbage.
I'm going to call forth my dragon!
It didn't smell like garbage last time we came, but it does now.
It doesn't really smell like garbage. It was over there. I think it's fish. It smells like dead fish.
I would stop at
It smells nasty, but I guess I'm getting used to it. It doesn't smell very good, but
It smells fun, Allie. It smells like little pieces smell like dead fish.
I keep getting a waft. Just little waft.
some kind of worthy stick yet.
That's the way they say it.
Worthy log.
Worthy log. This is my little brother again, walking backwards. What a savage. Don't fall into there. Little savage. Oh, there's a butterfly.
That's his name.
A moth. It looks like a butterfly though.
They're from the same family.
I guess. I mean, they're cousins. Are we turning into that? Where the trail just gets lost? Oh, she's such a beautiful singer. Like
I'm
me.
getting stabbed. We got a tree falling on my head.
Oh, yay.
Y'all come over here and let the lady walk.
Okay. Gonna point directly towards my feet again. My ankle itches. Okay, we're turning into the darkness again, so you might not see anything, Dad. Okay, so, how is everyone? How is everyone?
Fabulous.
Baby.
Mario's face just told me could be better. Mario's face said, it said could be better. Dom, what was yours? How was your day going?
Good.
Good. Okay. Good is a nice answer.
Mo, that's like the best stick ever.
It's like a branch.
Well, it's totally a branch. I'm just saying. Look how beautiful.
There's so many mosquitoes on me. We should have sprayed off on you.
I came to the nature trail and didn't bring a knife. Something wrong with me.
Oh
It's
no.
broken. Look how pretty that is.
Just self-defense purposes. For self-defense purposes.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hi.
Further up,
Like kick
further
your
up.
foot high as you can.
Move it further up.
Oh, somebody posted it musically. Ah. My foot can't go very high. Okay. Now we're just gonna watch ourselves. Walk around the nature trail with our fam. Dom, do I look good in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Dom, don't dab off camera, dab on camera. Go, dab on camera. Dab on the haters. And if the haters dab back, double dab. If the haters dab back, dab again. Or just don't dab. Oh my god. My boots. And my ashy knees. We're driving into the light and back into the darkness. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Tommy's little fist is cute. Ew. My feet are sitting in piles of rocks now. And red ants. Red ant trail. There was a trail of red ants right there.
Oh, that's cool. Look, guys.
That was red ants. Oh, that was cool.
Did you record that?
On the ground. Yeah.
If you didn't, I will.
If you don't see the red ants,
Mario.
I'll try and focus the camera
Mario, come here.
on the red ants. Don't get too close though. Okay, there is red ants trailing into other places. They're all the way over there, so.
It's like they're moving. Mo, come here.
I think
Hurry.
they're moving to a different anthill. Oh no, the video just turned off.
Stop, stop.
Whoopsie,
Look at the
whoopsie,
ground.
whoopsie. Whoopsie, whoopsie. I
They're moving
accidentally
from one
removed the
side to
video,
the other.
excluded the video. They're all going to
Here,
the
step
same
over it.
place.
Don't come here. You see it?
Yeah,
Alright, come over. Ow, ow.
I
I think one's
just
in my shoe.
showed my viewers.
Not kosher.
Okay. I guess I'll go hang out with them too. Well, okay. I almost stepped on them, but I didn't, so that's a good thing. Thumbs up for me. That was a weird thumbs up. There's some water. I'm trying not to drop my phone in it. It doesn't smell like hot
that's
garbage over
freaky.
here.
Come here.
See, there's a couple of branches. The stream isn't that strong right now,
Mary?
but it's pretty strong.
Allie, come here, look.
Okay.
Look.
There's Allie.
Look at all the scratch marks.
Wow,
Whoa.
scratches in
Something
the ground.
fell and was trying to get back up.
Huh.
They both have sticks.
It's probably like a raccoon.
A raccoon. Okay. There's some water. I don't want to reach down there because it's gonna wave me away, and I don't want to be
How
waved
deep
away.
is this? Okay, not that deep.
What about over here?
Probably a lot deep.
Mario, it's not a good time today. Mario, no. Bad. He's trying to jump to the next thingy, but like, it's not. No.
Big one.
As long as you don't have anything that can get wet in your pockets, then.
Mario, no.
That's what I told him, is being a bad Mario.
Not enough my legs to reach it.
Yeah, they can, because you got long legs. And I've got short,
No,
long
not
legs.
today. Come back in my 24.
Swim shorts? Never. Okay, there's some scratch marks on the ground. I'd rather not. Let's just leave. There's another hole in the ground. Ow! I just got hit with a stick on my hand. Okay, I'm gonna pick up some more gravel. And I'm gonna shine them in. I call it a diamond in the rough. This one's kind of like warm, I guess, because it's in the sun. I have to shake my sandals out. Good thing I didn't put my fingers in the red ants. That would have been terrible, terrible, terrible. Oh, there's some more nature. Nature trail is really nice. We're still taking the Daughters of American Revolution trail. There's some more creek. Can I not sneeze without a bird calling back to me? Sometimes my sneezes are really small. Sometimes they're huge. Sometimes they're weird. Sometimes they're normal, like achoo. Or achoo. One time I sneezed really hard, but like my sneeze was really small. I said, achoo. Momsy over there.
Sorry, a friend of mine was posting on it.
Okay. So if you don't know what my Instagram is, I'm gonna tell you right now. It's Miss MISS_amazing 245. I don't know where I got the 2, 4, and 5 from, but
Probably
whatever.
saw Miss Amazing. It was probably like the first auto-generated one. Dom, come over here. Let Mario climb up there.
And like
And then we'll go around.
and then my Pinterest is
Come on, Dom.
my name, which I'll
Mario,
just
keep an eye out for him.
I'll just put my Pinterest
Come on,
name. I'll just put my Pinterest name in the description. I'll put my Pinterest name, and then my Facebook is exactly the same as my Pinterest, and then I have my Snapchat, which is the same as my YouTube channel, which is AllieBean006. That is ALLY, not ALLIE. No, it's ALLY Bean. And if you don't know how to spell bean, you're a child.
Nope.
Then 006. Then 006. So yeah, that's my Snapchat. And then my Musical.ly is Alyssa not Allie. Alyssa. It's Alyssa ALYSSA. And then P245. Dang it, not 245. 655. It's Alyssa P655. And if you see my my profile pic, then you should be able to know me. So yeah, if you look up my Musical.ly, then
You should make your numbers
should count.
1126 every time. It usually works. Mine's 003.
yeah, cause that's your. Okay. Anyways, there's a couple of holes in the ground.
Hey, Cole. Oh, that's from people biking. And from water running down this trail.
Nice. Okay, anyways, wow, we're reaching the light. And at last I see the light. It's like the fall was lifted. And standing here, it's all so clear. If I'm where I last to be. And at last I see the light. Just like the fall was lifted. Wow! Oh my god, I fall. 'Cause this is a steep hill.
Aha.
Wow. I'm sitting down. Yeah, I'm sitting down. I'm tired. Okay. We're gonna stand back up. Weep. And keep on walking. Up this steep hill.
Like a nice little baby.
Are we going back into the woods or are we going that way?
I'm not going to people's houses.
Back into the woods it is. Okay, no more light. We're about to go into the darkness. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video. When I see some beautifulness, then I think we're gonna go to the park. Okay, it might be freezing up a little because we're in the middle of the woods. I'm gonna have to mush all 3 videos together. I think all 4 videos together because I keep actually hitting the stop video button.
Why are you recording that? Recording this one.
Because I want everyone to see what we're seeing. And they're not going to see anything if they're just looking at the sun is here. Oh, my it's in the way again. Might be a little freezy, but I'll get you guys an update when we get to the park. We are at the halfway point to the park. See, there's the Daughters sign. There's the Daughters of American Revolution Monument. Daughters of the American Revolution Monument and 1 mile nature trail. There's the sign, and then the park somewhere over the rainbow. Somewhere over there, if you can see it. I can't see it in the camera. 1.5 mile. We've walked like 2 miles. Probably more than 2 miles, but somewhere. We walked a lot more than a 1/2 mile, I'll tell you that though. Okay, the park is like somewhere next to the basketball court thing. Basketball place. Basketball court. I think that's what it's called. Basketball court or basketball place. It's hot.
Well, you and the boys are gonna walk over to the park. I'm gonna walk up and get Christine so we can keep walking.
Okay.
I think I want to get at least a couple miles in.
Okay. I should have brought my watch. Shoot. I'm gonna get no steps. I'm gonna get no steps today. Because I didn't
You know
bring...
you can go into the app and add in how many steps you took, so I can actually text you how many steps you took.
I took a lot. And I'm gonna get none on my watch. My watch is gonna have 0 steps. Right now it has 48.
Phone while I'm up there? And a bottle of water.
Right now it has 48 steps.
Okay, y'all walk over to the park. I'm gonna go up and see.
Okay. Where's the park though?
That way. Follow the trail. I'll take you right to it.
Okay. I'm gonna run it over. That's part of the
She said,
trail.
okay, give me about 10 minutes. I'll take y'all over. Okay, me and the kids are down at the park, so just let me know.
Okay, we are trying to get to 4,000 steps. Cause that's my new step goal. My other step goal was like 3,000. But I up it 1,000. I up it 1,000 steps. Every once in a while I up it on 1,000. I got this watch like a couple of months ago. And flies keep landing my hair. It looks like a freaking nest. Anyways, there's the tree. Here's me. It's freaking hot. Why is my flashlight on? I think I'm blinded for life now. Ah! It's hot. And my choker is sweating so much. A choker can't sweat. Wait. My choker is all sweaty because it's black, and I'm probably gonna get like a heart tan because my choker is like a heart. Ew, that was terrible. I just filmed vertically for like 5 minutes, but like that's it. I'm gonna sit on this black bench in the middle of summer. It's hot. There's some bird calls going on. There's some peeps. My peeps. Okay, keep walking.
Just never touch Trey until he was doing.
Blah, 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 blah. I'm so tired.
You want to record me chasing the
Go
silver
check out JMT and Legends of Gamer Mom and the Mo Network. The Mo Network. That's about it. So there's a creek over there, and then there's some trees still.
You went around?
No. And then there's some trees, and then there's
Pause and record me in the voice running around.
Here is the creek. We're halfway to the park. Said that like 15 minutes ago. 5 to 10 minutes ago, but okay, we're just gonna pause this thing and go to the park. It's not focusing. Now it's all blurry. I actually make it focus. It's awkward. Okay. There's some bridge, and then there's a park. Oh god, over there. This video is probably gonna be like 30 minutes long, because all my videos are like that. Like my Walmart video was like 50,000 minutes long. Why does he say me first? We're not all going at different times. We're gonna all go at the same time. So I've seen a big old family on this bridge before. I say that and then the bridge falls. Okay, there's one kid. I thought there would be like thousands upon thousands of kids. But there's only one.
Oh, two.
Oh, jeez.
What did I do?
Okay, we're just gonna go into the park and never talk about any of that again.
What the hell was that? It sounded like a news.
Ah!
Where the hell are you going?
Climb the fence. Yeah, I am.
Come on now.
Come on, Dom.
What's a hoodlum always?
Mario isn't gonna let us jump the fence. There's only 2 kids here. I thought there would be millions. I thought it would be so crowded because first of all, it's Thursday. Second of all, it's Thursday. Oh yeah, and third of all, it's sunny. Okay, we're gonna sit under the shade for a little, cause I'm fracking hot. Oh shoot. Okay. We had to go full on earthworm there. We had to go on full on earthworm there.
You really didn't though.
No, I just put my camera down. Had to go full on ghost mode. Just for us not to get caught. We're gonna play at the park, but it's hot. Okay. It's lava. Okay. Anyways, hopefully the ground is not wet. I'm gonna point you at my feet again. Oh. Okay. It's wet. We're gonna try and climb the fence. Okay, so obviously. Oh, God. I dropped the camera. We're gonna slide down the slide. Ah! It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. We're gonna throw you guys and try and jump up this slide. You guys okay? Okay. Y'all are okay. I'm okay. Okay. We're gonna go over here, check out my little bro. Never mind. He wanted to be excluded from the video. Okay, we're gonna go over to the big side. Oh yeah, you guys can see my face now. So we're just gonna swing on the swingy bar things. Okay, I'm gonna switch hands. And then we're gonna just swing again. And we're gonna swing one more time. I'll swing one more time, this is the last time. Swing, oh my god. Almost fell, okay. Then we're gonna swing ourselves off. And we're gonna go to the kitty side. Kitty corner. Oh, stop falling. The slide is hot. Just like me. Ha 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 ha. Ah. That was so underwhelming. Because this slide's so tiny. Okay, the first time we've taken a break from walking in a long time. You guys probably can't see me at all. But you can now. Okay. How is everyone? I'm tired. Oh my god. There's so many people, so we gotta go full on earthworm. Ow, my nose, I'm not picking my nose, I'm scratching it. There's a difference. Okay, we're gonna switch you to a different camera angle. Oh my god, you guys just missed the entire part where I was being an immature bad example. I was being a terrible example, and you guys missed it. Because I forgot to hit on pause. I'm so sorry, you guys. This video is gonna be like an hour long. I'm joking, I've never made an hour-long video, and this is not gonna be my first time. Oh, yay, Christine's here. My mommy's friend's here. Hi. I'm gonna have this video right here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you guys like me on Facebook, facebook.com/Alyssa Follies, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.